Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show how to find the value of x where 3 to the power x plus 3 to the power x plus 3 to the power x is equal to 20. Or taking common 3 to the power x, here we will get 1 plus similarly here we will get 1 plus here we will get 1 is equal to 20. Or 3 to the power x times 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3 is equal to 20. Or now divided both sides by 3, we can write here 3 to the power x times 3 over 3 is equal to 20 over 3. Now this 3 cancel out this 3, so here we will get 3 to the power x is equal to 20 over 3. Now taking log on both sides, we can write here log of 3 to the power x is equal to log of 20 over 3. Now we know that log of log of a to the power b is equal to b times log of a. That means this b move here. Now apply this formula. Here we can write x times log of 3 is equal to log of 20 over 3. Or we remove this log of 3, so divided both sides by log of 3, we can write here x times log of 3 over log of 3 is equal to log of 20 over 3 all over log of 3. Now here this log of 3 cancel out this log of 3, so we will get x, or x is equal to log of 20 over 3 all over log of 3. Now again we know that log of a over b is equal to log of a minus log of b. Now apply this formula. Here we can write x is equal to log of 20 minus log of 3 all over log of 3. Or x is equal to, now we can write here log of 20 over log of 3 minus log of 3 over log of 3. Or x is equal to, now log of this 20 can be written as 4 times 5 over log of 3 minus, here this log of 3 cancel out this log of 3, so we will get 1. Or x is equal to, now we know that log of ab is equal to log of a plus log of b. So apply this formula. Here we can write log of 4 plus log of 5 all over log of 3 minus 1. Or x is equal to, now we can write here log of 4 over log of 3 plus log of 5 over log of 3 minus 1. Or x is equal to, this log of 4 can be written as log of 2 square, because 2 square are same as same 4 over log of 3 plus log of 5 over log of 3 minus 1. Or x is equal to, this to move here, so we can write here 2 times log of 2 over log of 3 plus log of 5 over log of 3 minus 1. Now we know that log of a over log of b is equal to log of a base b. Now apply this formula here, we will get the value of x is equal to 2 times log of 2 base 3 plus log of 5 base 3 minus 1, and it is our final answer. Now check this answer. Check this answer. Our questions have given 3 to the power x plus 3 to the power x plus 3 to the power x is equal to 20. So we can write here 3 to the power x times 3 is equal to 20. Okay. So we can write here 3 times 3 to the power x is equal to 20. Here x is equal to 2 times log of 2 base 3 plus log of 5 base 3 minus 1. 2 times log of 2 base 3 plus log of 5 base 3 minus 1. Or 3 times 3 to the power, now we can write here 2 times log of 2 base 3 plus log of 5 base 3 minus 1 is it equal to 20. Or here we can use logarithm exponential formula, so we can write here 3 times 3 to the power 2 times log of 2 base 3 times 3 to the power log of 5 base 3 all over 3 to the power 1 is it equal to 20. Or 3 to the power 1, that means 3, so this 3 cancel out this 3. Now here we can write 3 to the power log of 2 square base 3 times 3 to the power log of 5 base 3 is it equal to 20. Or again we know that a to the power log of b base a is equal to b. Now apply this formula here, we will get 2 square times 5 is it equal to 20. Or 2 square, that means 4 times 5 is it equal to 20. Now we know that 4 times 5 is equal to 20, so we can write here 20 is equal to 20, so left hand side is equal to right hand side. So our final value of x is equal to 2 times log of 2 base 3 plus log of 5 base 3 minus 1. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.